Hello. In this video, we are going to transcribe an audio recording with Whisper. The process is not very intuitive, but it's safe because you're not taking your data to any third parties, and it's free. Follow the link in the description and open the notebook in Google Colab. I'm not going to talk much about Colab environment today. Just repeat after me. Step 1, installation. Find a little triangle. It's a play button. This is how you execute cells in Colab. Click it. Here you will see GPU connecting, and the process of installation will take about 1 minute. It's going to download some files and libraries from GitHub. Ta-da! All done. Step 2. On the left side of your window, you will find a folder icon, and new area of interface will appear. Take file you want to transcribe to this area, just drag and drop. My file is small, so it uploads quickly. For the longer recordings, the process can take a few minutes. So now the most important part. You need to copy the path to your file. Hover over the file name and you will see these three little buttons on the right, three little dots, sorry. Click on them and from the menu, choose Copy Path. Now go to the last cell of notebook and highlight the red text inside the quotes. Press Ctrl V. As you can see now, there are quotes, slash, the name of my temporary folder. It's the same for your folder as well. Slash again, the name of my file, and file extension. The common mistake for new users is to provide a link to the file instead of path to the file. Don't do it. What else is important here? The model size. Whisper model we deploy could be small, medium, or large. My recording is clean, so I'm going to use small model. If the quality of your audio recording is poor, or there are many speakers who are trying to talk simultaneously, opt for larger model. Simply type small or large, paying attention to the syntax, all the spaces and dashes, everything is important in this line of code. For the language, I need my transcription in English. So I'll specify English here. You can change it to the language you work with. Then find the little triangle and press it again. Now we just wait. The transcription will begin as soon as the model loads. My audio is short, but probably will be good to know that with 1 hour long file, it takes about 3-4 minutes for Whisper to run. What can I do with this text now? Obviously, I can just copy paste it, or I can look again at the left panel. In this area, I can download SRT files if I want to keep working with time codes, or just TXT if I don't want any time codes in my text. Hit download and the files will be downloaded to your computer. I made this Colab as simple and friendly as possible to encourage you to explore more advanced ways to work with Whisper and many other models. In more complex notebooks, you can work with files on Google Drive, adjust Whisper parameters, temperature. You even can connect various language models or computer vision models plus language models to operate with your content at the very new, beautiful, dreamlike level. It's a topic for another tutorial, I guess. Thank you. Bye.